Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm thrilled to have you here as we dive into an incredibly exciting topic today. As technology enthusiasts, we've witnessed the incredible impact of AI on our world. But hold on to your seats, because today, we're venturing even further into the future with a discussion on 6G, the next generation of wireless communication. In this video, we're going to explore what 6G is and how it's poised to revolutionize the world as we know it. Segment 1. Defining 6G. Alright, let's kick things off by getting down to the basics. What exactly is 6G? Well, we all know about 5G, which brought us faster speeds and reduced latency. But 6G takes it to a whole new level. Imagine speeds that make 5G seem like a snail's pace. We're talking about data rates that would allow you to download an entire high-definition movie in just a fraction of a second. Mind-boggling, isn't it? Segment 2. Beyond speed, the power of 6G. But 6G isn't just about speed. It's about redefining connectivity. Imagine a world where every device, from your smartphone to your toaster, is seamlessly connected. With its ultra-reliable and ultra-low latency communication, 6G opens the door to innovations we can barely fathom today. Picture remote surgery performed with precision, or self-driving cars communicating instantaneously to navigate the streets. The possibilities are endless. Segment 3. Enabling technologies. Now, you might be wondering, how does 6G even work? Well, hold on to your curiosity hats, because we're diving into the tech behind the magic. Terahertz frequencies, massive MIMO arrays, and even quantum communications, these are just some of the building blocks of 6G. It's like a symphony of advanced technologies working together to create a masterpiece of connectivity. Segment 4. Transforming industries. What's truly fascinating is how 6G will reshape entire industries. From healthcare to entertainment, education to manufacturing, every sector will experience a seismic shift. Imagine virtual reality classrooms where students from around the world collaborate as if they're in the same room. Or holographic concerts that make you feel like you're right there with your favorite artist. It's a game changer, folks. Segment 5. Societal impact and challenges. With every great leap, there are challenges to overcome. Privacy concerns, cybersecurity threats. As we connect more devices, we must ensure that our data remains secure. Additionally, we need to bridge the digital divide and ensure that this technology benefits everyone, not just a privileged few. It's a responsibility that comes with the territory of innovation. Segment 6. The road ahead. As we wrap up our exploration of 6G, one thing becomes clear. The future is brimming with potential. From AI working in tandem with 6G to power smart cities, to unlocking the mysteries of the universe with unprecedented computing power, we're on the brink of a new era. So, let's stay curious, stay informed, and keep our eyes on the horizon of possibilities. Thank you so much for joining me today on this incredible journey into the realm of 6G. The AI revolution brought us to this point, and now, 6G is set to amplify its impact beyond our wildest dreams. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a future exploration. Until next time, keep embracing the technological wonders that shape our world. See you soon.